Problem 536. Ito yung medyo nag-search pa ako kasi meron siyang Apogee at saka Perigee. Apogee, hindi po yan yung Korean ng father. So, actually, nag-search ako. And sabi po ng vocabulary.com, ang apogee, an object in orbit around the Earth. The apogee is the point that is highest or farthest from the Earth. Early satellites had low apogee, so it wasn't long before they burned up in the atmosphere. So, ibig sabihin, kunwari merong satellite ng Earth, so yung pinakamalayong distance ng satellite na dun sa elliptical path niya, yun yung apogee. Okay? Apogee. Mount Apo. Mataas. Joke lang. So, apogee. So, yung perigee naman, so, kabaliktaran naman siya ni apogee. So, sabi dito sa Google, si perigee naman is point in the orbit or curved path of the moon or a satellite when it is closest to the Earth. So, closest to the Earth. So, siya naman yung malapit. Si apogee malayo, si perigee naman yung malapit. So, drawing natin siya. So, for example, we have this elliptical path. Okay? Ito yung elliptical path ng, lakihan natin ng konti. Ito yung elliptical path ng satellite mo. So, sabihin natin na ito yung center. Okay? Yung center ng elliptical. Ito, kunwari yung satellite. Hindi po ako marunong mag-drawing, kaya, ayan, isipin nyo, satellite yan. Bahala. Basta, ganyan. So, satellite, kunwari yan. Satellite yan. Tapos, ayan. So, ibig sabihin, kung ito yung center niya, ito yung satellite, nagre-revolve siya ng ganyan. Pa-ellipse. Tapos, sabihin natin, andito naman po si Earth mo. Ay, nako. Ay, napapahiya ako dito. Sabi dyan, assuming the radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometers. So, ibig sabihin, 6,000 po. Ito yung Earth. Yan. So, bilog naman ng Earth. 6,400 yung radius niya. So, ito yung radius. Alam natin, R to R. So, ibig sabihin, 6,400 kilometers. 6,400 kilometers to, 6,400 kilometers din to. Meaning, ang diameter ng Earth mo, that will be equal to 12,800 kilometers. Tama. So, ibig sabihin, itong si Earth, this is equal to 12,800 kilometers, yung diameter niya. Then, meron ka daw apogee. Okay. So, si apogee, malamang sa malamang, ito siya. Pinakamalayo na narating ng satellite mo. Ibig sabihin, ito yun. Tama? Sabi, meron daw distance na 40,000. Okay? 40,000 kilometers yung distance niya from the Earth. Then, so, ang perigee mo naman ay ito. Which is 6,600. So, hindi makatotohanan yung drawing ko. Pero, hayaan nyo na. Ganun din yan. Yan. Okay. So, since meron ka ng itsura nung, basta, yan yung itsura nung, ang hinahanap mo daw ay yung eccentricity. Okay? So, actually, ang definition ng eccentricity is degree of flatness. Gaano daw ka-flat yung elliptical path nung satellite mo. Okay? And we know that eccentricity is equal to C all over A. Ngayon, i-determine muna natin sino si C, sino si A. Sabi nila, sabi dito, yung center of the Earth, ito, yung center daw ng Earth mo, okay, yung center ng Earth natin, center of the Earth, ay isa doon sa kanyang mga foci. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung center ng Earth. Gawin natin siyang red. Ayan, ito yung center ng Earth. Siya daw ay yung iyong foci. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, alam natin, ang representation lagi natin, ang foci natin ay C. Right? So, ibig sabihin, ito naman, from center hanggang dito, which is, represent natin siya as vertex, that will be equal to A. Right? Okay, so kailangan lang mahanap mo yung value ni C, mahanap mo yung value ni A, then magkakaroon ka na po ng, malaman mo na yung value ng iyong eccentricity. Okay? So, since this is A and C, ito naman, 6,600. From this hanggang dito. Okay. We also know that mula dito sa pangalawang vertex mo hanggang dito, this is also equal to A. So, ibig sabihin, kung A ito at C ito, gaano kahaba or ano yung distance naman to? So, pag minusin mo lang si A at saka si C, tama? Magiging ganyan siya. A minus C. Tama ako, di ba? Ito naman, alam mong A siya. Alam mong C to. Ibig sabihin, mula dito hanggang dito, that will be equal to A plus C. Bagay, simple mathematics lang naman yan. Okay? So, ngayon, hanapin natin yung value ni A at saka ni C. Sorry, medyo magulo yung drawing ko, pero maiintindihan natin yan. So, parang ganito siya, guys. Alam natin that A plus C is equal to 40,000. Yan yun. A plus C is equal to 40,000. Okay? Pinag-add natin siya. Ngayon, ang tanong, 40,000 lang ba siya? Hindi po. Kasi, di ba, ang apogee mo daw ay 40,000. Tapos, plus pa yung radius ng Earth. Kasi, syempre, hanggang dito yung foci mo. So, meron ka dyan, 12,800 divided by 2. That will be plus 6,400. Tama? So, that will be your A plus C. And this will be equal to 46,400 kilometers. Pero huwag natin ilagay yung kilometers. Okay? Then, you also have this A minus C. Okay? A minus C. Saan naman siya equal? So, mapapansin mo, si A minus C equal siya dito kay 6,600 plus yung half pa nung 12,800 or yung radius ng Earth mo, which is, so ilalagay natin dito, this will be equal to 6,600. Ito yun. And also, yung radius ng Earth mo, which is also equal to 6,400. So, which is equal to 6,400. So, this will be equal to 13,000. Okay? Ngayon, meron ka na pong dalawang equations. Okay? Since meron kang two equations, two unknowns, masasolve mo na po yung problem. So, lagay natin dito, A plus C is equal to 46,400. A minus C is equal to 13,000. Gamitan na lang natin yan ng calculator method. Okay, which is mode 5. Hanapin mo dyan, sino kamukha. That will be equal, mode 5, 1. Yan. So, lagay mo yung value ni A or value nung coefficient ni A mo ay 1. Coefficient ni B mo ay 1 din. Coefficient naman ni C mo ay yung C mo naman ay 46,400. Okay? Dito naman, coefficient niya ay 1, tapos negative 1, tapos 13,000. Yan, equals. Okay? So, this will be equal to, your X is 29,700 or yung A mo. Tapos, 16,700. So, lumabas dyan, your A is 29,700. Your C is 16,700. Okay? Ngayon, ang kukunin mo na lang po ay C eccentricity. So, C eccentricity, that will be equal to C all over A. So, kung nalilito kayo dun sa ginawa natin sa calculator kanina, ang ginawa lang po natin dyan, ayan, di ba may A, B, C dyan. Ginawa po natin, may A, B, at C dyan. So, ang ginawa po natin is ginawa natin coefficient nitong una mong variable. So, parang siya yung naging X. Siya yung naging A, ito yung B mo, at ito naman yung C mo. Okay? Ayan, A, tas B, at C. So, yung coefficient ni A mo, which is 1, yung nilagay natin, coefficient ni B mo ay 1. Tapos, si C ay 46,400. Dito rin, coefficient ni A ay 1. Coefficient ni B mo ay negative 1. Tama? Ito yun, negative 1. Tapos, your C is 13,000. So, inequal natin yan. Nakakuha tayo ng value ni X, which is yung una mong letter, si A. that is equal to 29,700. Tapos, nakuha din tayo ng value ni y. Value naman siya ni c mo, that is 16,700. So, we just need to input the values here, 16,700 over 29,700. So, calculate natin, equal siya sa 0.56. So, your eccentricity is 0.56. So, that will be letter D. So, lagi niyo pong tatandaan, ang eccentricity po ng ellipse ay laging less than 1. So, this problem is similar dun sa last problem natin. Okay? So, sabi diyan, the major axis of the elliptical path in which the Earth moves around the Sun is approximately 186 million miles and the eccentricity of the ellipse is 1 over 60. Determine the apogee of the Earth. So, ang hinahanap po ay apogee ng Earth. So, alam natin, ang Earth ay elliptical yung pag-move niya around the Sun. Okay? So, sabihin natin na, which is may given dito, hanapin mo natin yung mga given. Yung given natin is meron daw tayong major axis. At alam natin, mula dito hanggang dito, yan yung major axis natin. And our major axis is equal to 2a and that is equal to 186 million. Okay, 186 million siya. Miles. Okay, so sobrang layo. Tapos, meron ka rin daw given na eccentricity. So, your eccentricity is equal to 1 over 60. Pagkatapos, ang hahanapin mo naman daw is yung apogee. Yan, si apogee. Right. So, meron tayong konting illustration dito, which is, ito po, ayan, yung nakikita nyo pong, yellow na yan, this is the sun. At ito naman pong cute na to, ito naman po ay Earth. Ang ganda ng drawing ko, diba? Okay. So, sa ellipse, alam natin that from the center hanggang dito, we represent that distance as A. Sabihin natin, ito yung vertex 1 natin. So, that is A. Okay? And, ang hinahanap mo kasi is apogee. Ibig sabihin, from the sun hanggang dun sa pinakamalayong nararating ng Earth mo, which is, ito yun. This is your apogee. Apogee. Okay. So, sino naman to? So, sabihin natin, itong sun mo ay, siya yung foci. Nasa focus. Okay? So, si focus, mula kay center, siya ay equal kay C. Tama? So, yung apogee mo, since ganito siya kalayo, mula dito hanggang dito, so that will be equal to A plus C. Pinag-add mo lang siya. Then, we also know that this from center hanggang dito, that is also equal to A, right? So, kung A to, C to, this will be A minus C, okay? Yan, yung distance na yan. That is A minus C. Yan naman yung perigee. Yan. So, ngayon, ang hahanapin natin, since ang hinahanap mo ay apogee, syempre, kailangan mo ng value ni A, kailangan mo rin ng value ni C, para makuha mo po si apogee. So, ganun yung gagawin natin. We need the value of A and we also need the value of C. So, unang-una, napakadali na itong problem to kasi you have been given the major axis which is equal to 2A. And since your major axis is equal to 186 million miles, then you'll get your A which is 93 million. Tama? Yan. 93 million siya. Then, since may A ka na, okay, medyo one step closer to our dream na tayo. Ngayon, hanapin mo naman si C, kasi isa pa yung kailangan eh. Paano mo naman kuha si C? So, you have your eccentricity, which is equal to 1 over 60. Okay? And, we know that eccentricity is equal to C over A. Okay? So, you just need to equate that. C is equal to A times 1 over 60. And your A ay ito ng 93 million. So, pag nilagay natin po yan sa calcu, that will be yan, 1,550,000. So, yan yung value ni C mo. So, since may A ka na, may C ka na, you just need to add them up at makukuha mo na po si apogee. Yan. Apogee is equal to A plus C. Your A is 93 million. Yun. And your C is 1,550,000. Pag pinag-add mo yan, tapos na, that will be equal to 94,550,000 miles. And this is letter D. So, yan yung apogee. So, in this problem, the Earth's orbit is an ellipse with the Sun, kagaya lang yung last time, Sun at Earth pa din, at one of the foci. The farthest distance of the Sun from the Earth is meron given, and the nearest distance from the... Okay. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse. Okay, so i-drawing muna natin. This is the Sun. At nakaisan daw ang iyong isang focus. Okay? Pagkatapos, sabihin natin din si F1. Okay? Pagkatapos po, meron din pong given. Okay? So, halimbawa, ito si Earth. Okay, pagkatapos, ang farthest distance daw from the Sun hanggang kay Earth, ibig sabihin mula dito hanggang dito po. Ayan. Okay? Which is, we call that as apogee. That will be equal to 105.50 million. Okay? Yan. 105.50 million. So, we also have this in the nearest distance from the Sun. From the Earth. Of the Sun from the Earth is 78.25 million. So, paano nangyayari yan? Kasi, halimbawa daw ito si Earth, nandito na siya. Okay, bawa nandito na sa Earth. Ayan. So, ito na yung nearest distance niya from the Sun. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ay lalagyan din natin ang label yan. This is what? Nearest is 78.25 million. Ngayon, lalagyan natin siya ng mga konting alam natin sa ellipse, which is, we know that this is equal to A. This is also from center. Okay, ito si center hanggang dito sa vertex 1, sa farthest na kaya ng Earth. That is A. Tapos, from itong si Sun, we represent that distance as C. Okay? We also know that, so kung ito yun, si 105.50 million is actually equal to A plus C. Tama? Kasi ito si A mo, ito si C, pinag-add mo sila. Okay, that is A plus C. Pagkatapos, we also know that this is A. Ilang beses ko nasabi ito, pero kailangan pa rin natin sabihin. So, this is equal to A minus C. Okay. So, ngayon, ay, ang hinahanap daw natin is yung eccentricity ng ating ellipse. So, we know that eccentricity is equal to C all over A. So, kailangan natin mahanap si C, mahanap si A, and you will have your answer. So, para doon, lagay natin yung mga nakuha natin. That A plus C, ito yun, si apogee, is equal to 105.50 million. Sige, lagay natin million. And you also have your A minus C. A minus C is equal to 78.25 million. Okay. So, ang gagawin po natin is kukunin natin yung value ni A at si C. Makukuha natin siya sa pamamagitan ng ating calculator. Just press mode 5, 1, and lagay mo yung coefficients ni A mo at saka ni C. 1, 1, tapos 105.5 or 50. Then, you have 1, coefficient ni C or ni B ay negative 1, ni C din. 78.25 million equals. So, your A, okay, si X kasi siya yung unang value. Your A is equal to 735.8, 91.875. And your C is equal to 13.625. 13.625. So, kailangan lang natin gawin, may A ka na, may C ka na. Substitute na natin siya kay eccentricity. So, 13.625 all over 91.875. Ba't din natin nilagay yung million? Kasi po, makakancel lang din naman po siya. So, lagay po natin dito, 13.625 all over 91.875. That will be equal to 0.148. Okay? Dito naman po is 0.15. Sabihin natin, your eccentricity is equal to 0.15. That's the answer, and that is letter A.